What makes Canada a perfect choice to study abroad? Is there any scholarship? What are the top universities? How one will get the student visa? There are a lot more questions one get when we think about studying overseas. Hey, this is Sapna and you're watching The Schooling Times, and in today's video we'll cover all your questions related to that. And before going into the video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. And let's begin. Canada has become the popular destination for Indian students who are trying to study abroad. Currently, there are 500,000 of students in Canada, from which 35% are Indians. Canada promises strong foundation and academic excellence at all levels of education. Canada education system includes associate degree program with duration of 2 years, bachelor's degree program with duration of 3 to 4 years, master's degree program with duration of 1 to 2 years, and doctoral degree program. The admission intake in Canada happens thrice a year, in fall, in winter, and in summer. Canada provides high quality education. More than 25 universities of Canada rank in the Times Higher Education World University Ranking and QS ranking, like University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, McGill University, McMaster University, and University of Montreal. Canada government promotes research orientation as well, in the field like science and technology, engineering, electronics and telecommunication business, agriculture, pharmacy and nursing, etc. Canada provides high quality education facilities and opportunity in various fields and industries. Some of them with ample job opportunities are listed below. Hospitality, public health science, computer and information technology, engineering, business and finance, agriculture science, media and journalism, mathematics and statistics. English is widely spoken language in Canada, so there is no need to learn another language in order to pursue abroad study. When it comes to cost, Canada is affordable and cheaper than tuition fee for the same course in many other countries. So here's the list of the tuition fee of different courses. In Canada, we have low tuition fees. We get partly or fully funded scholarships as well. For undergraduate, we get merit-based scholarship, provincial government scholarship, need-based grants, tuition waiver, Commonwealth scholarship, private organizational scholarship, etc. And same goes for masters and PhD as well. We get merit-based scholarship, provincial government scholarship, research associateship, professional development award, fellowship, etc. Some other agencies where you can check up the scholarship includes National Research Council of Canada, Social Sciences and Humanities Research Council, Quebec Provincial Government Scholarship, and many more. And there is no worry about the job placement because one gets easily placed after studying in Canada. In Canada, all international students must have medical insurance. When it comes to safety, Canada is one of the safest countries for international students, where 24-hour security is provided at most campuses and the rate of violent crime is low. The job market in Canada is very prosperous with a lot of job opportunities in various fields. As the part-time job is concerned, then the international students are allowed to work 20 hours per day during semester and full day during winter and summer break. People in Canada are extremely warm and welcoming. Canada has a multicultural mix of people with a substantial number of Indians staying there for generations. People are friendly and make a peaceful living like no other country. You will not feel out of the place there. But not only this, Canada is one of the safest nations in the world and has consistently ranked within 8 safest countries in the world. So to end with, here's a short checklist for study abroad in Canada. Research the courses of university you are planning to apply. Check the admission requirement. Then submit all the necessary documents. Do letter of academic reference if you are applying for PhD or master's program. Once everything is decided, then the student has to apply for Canada Student Visa. Canadian Immigration Authority issues student visa to allow international students to pursue studies in Canada. Documents required for Canada visa is valid passport, proof of acceptance, proof of funds, passport size photograph, immigration medical examination, English language proficiency exam score, and statement of purpose. The process includes visa can be applied either online or in person. Fill the visa facilitation service global consent form, pay the process fees, and then submit the application form and supporting documents. If these all requirements are not fulfilled, then your visa may get rejected as well. There are certain requirements for the post-study work permit. You can get the work permit only if you have a student visa. The duration of your work permit cannot exceed the duration of your course. You must have enrolled for the full-time course in Canada and the duration of the course must be more than 8 months. You must have graduated from either a public post-study institution or a private post-secondary institution, or else you must apply for work permit within 3 months. So thank you so much for watching right till the end. So I have given you this overview why to study in Canada. If you need any more information, please visit our website schoolingtime.com, or you can follow us on Instagram. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and study well. Bye-bye.